All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's been like 2-3 weeks, but we're back at it again. We got a quick little update. We got a few parts from the UK and just a little box here. So let's go open that up and let's see what we got. All right. We got a little note. Woo. So I got this from 2GR MR2 guy in Instagram, and it's a cup holder. Came with this. Let's just read it real quick. Thank you for your purchase. What's good? When you purchase this cup holder, I had limited expectations that this will go into full production. Wait, estoy leyendo una vaina, por favor, déjenme, please. Dianche. Wow, esta gente hablando. Dianche. After introducing it to the community, there seems to be a lot of interest and demand for it. Look it, please. I'm currently working with an engineer from the MR2 community to improve this product and a manufacturer to produce this at a quality that will meet OEM specification. What does this mean for you? Well, let's treat this cup holder that I've sent to you and for others as a test product. I want your feedback, good or bad. I am aiming for this cup holder to be the must-have. Yes, the must-have. What's good? Okay. Solutions for our car, and I need your help to sort. ¿Qué lo que? Mi amor, estoy leyendo una vaina, please. Damn, these people. Damn, you don't want to let me finish this. Damn. ¿Verdad, Brito? But así mismo. Must-have solution for our cars, and I need your help to sort out any issues with it before it goes into production. Due to the expensive production, once it has started being made, future improvements are unlikely. We got to get it right the first time. Also, once this goes into production, I will be sending you the new version at no cost. What's good? Get okay? Yo, hey. Yo, TGR MR2 guy. Yo, good looking out. Alright, please consider all aspects of this design. Does it need to be taller? Does the holes need to be larger or smaller? Or perhaps one large and one small? How was the install? What other concerns do you have? Please feel free to email me. Thank you, Ryan. You already know. I'll let you know, or contact me through social media. Again, thanks for your help. Thanks for your help in making this the go-to solutions for the lack of cup holders in the SW20 MR2. Ryan, what's good? You already know what's good. We're gonna open this up real quick. We're gonna install it, and yeah, man. Happy Halloween, baby. Happy Halloween, and I don't know about you, man. Oh, man. Go Trump! I should edit, all right? Hey, man. So here we go. Whew. So this is the cup holders for the MR2. Cookie, look what I got. So whenever we're in the car and we're drinking soda, cup holders. What you think about this? What do you don't like about the MR2? Tell me.
That is too low.
We get too low. Oh man, this is first thoughts. Espérate mi vida que está haciendo un first thoughts. It's legit. Very durable. Firm. I like it. So yeah, we got some bolts. I think we got some bolts here too. Let's see. Yep, we got three little screws, 2 on the top and 1 inside, just right there. So let's go ahead and install it real quick. All right, guys. So we're back at it again. We're back in here in the cockpit. Let's go ahead and turn on the car because it's super hot outside, and
Waiting to pair.
you know what I'm saying? We need that AC. So guys, I was editing the video and come to find out there was issue with the audio, and I was saying some funny stuff. So it is what it is, and the reason why was because it was connected to Bluetooth. Anyways, it's installed. Thoughts about it? Here it is. This is how it looks. This is my favorite mod as of now. As you can tell, it doesn't move around, and I love it, man. I love it. I really love it. I really like it. It's definitely gonna replace my old one, eBay one, good old eBay one. It's nice, but not as functional as this one. So that wraps it up. You already know. Update on the base MR2, or the brown one, whatever you want to call it. The engine is almost done. Or the engine is done. And yeah, just waiting on Angel to drop it in. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow CBR MR2 guys. Catch you in the next one. Dale.